Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook videos. So guys, at first go to your Facebook. Now select the video that you want to download. So suppose I am selecting this one. Now tap on the three dot icon beside the video. Now tap on copy link. Now go back and go to your Google browser. Tap on the search bar and search Facebook video download. Go to the first one. Now paste here your copy link and then just tap on download. And then your video will be downloaded. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.